Welcome to ByteDC Data Center, the first to receive the Uptime Design Tier 3 International Standards Certificate. In this video, we'll take a look at how ByteDC is setting the standard for data center excellence in Cambodia's digital infrastructure, and explore its expansion plans to meet the ever-evolving needs of its customers. At the first layer of access security, identity of individuals and purpose of visit will be checked by the security guards before allowing them into the data center building. The second layer of access security will be further checked and verified by the network operation team before allowing access into the data center. Access cards are issued to approved individuals, and they will only be able to access their designated floors using these cards. This provides an additional layer of security and ensures that only authorized personnel are able to access specific areas of the data center. In order for customers to enter each floor of the data hall, they must be accompanied by the NOC team, who are equipped with the third layer of access security, including card access, access pins, and biometric readers. We take security very seriously. In addition to the multi-layered access control system, we have also installed security cameras throughout the building to monitor all areas 24/7. These cameras are constantly recording, backed up, and closely monitored by our security personnel in the Network Operation Command Center. We understand that data protection is a top priority for our customers. That's why we not only have different layers of physical security access, but we also use advanced technology and best practices to protect your data against cyber attacks and breaches. Let's take a closer look at the facilities and equipment installed at ByteDC that meet the Uptime Tier 3 design standards. Our data center consists of 10 data halls, which can be customized to suit the unique requirements of our customers. We have implemented multiple layers of fire detection and suppression systems to prevent any outbreak fire. Our intelligent monitoring system constantly tracks the performance of our equipment and systems, ensuring the highest level of safety and reliability. With 2 N redundant power solutions and an N+1 redundant cooling solution, our data center is equipped with advanced facilities and equipment that guarantee the highest level of reliability and uptime for our customers' critical IT infrastructure. In our Network Operations Center, our team of experts is constantly monitoring the health and performance of our systems, ensuring uninterrupted services for our clients. ByteDC's announcement to construct several new edge data centers in strategic locations in Phnom Penh is a demonstration of its commitment to developing a modern and robust digital infrastructure. Through these investments, ByteDC is positioning itself as a key player in the global technology landscape, enabling its customers to expand their operations and connect with partners worldwide. ByteDC strongly believes that these investments are crucial for driving economic growth, enhancing competitiveness, and attracting investment to the nation's digital infrastructure.